You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, Jen, what we fix is this right here.
I don't know how.
Yeah, you do. Just look at it. You can fix it.
It's fully.
It didn't work.
Go.
Wait. Calling you.
Get.
Calling who?
What's the point? Get. That's better.
My neck itches too.
Probably something bitchy there too.